Did you wake up with tension in your lower back? That tightness in your glutes and hamstrings might be what's silently draining your energy before the day even begins. Let's hit the mat. This one looks simple, but don't underestimate it. Start on your back with knees bent, feet flat. Bring your knees towards your chest and begin slow, gentle circles from the hip socket. Imagine you're stirring a pot of tension, letting each circle melt it down. Switch directions after 30 seconds. Feel that unlocking sensation? That's your hip capsule saying thank you. I promise, freeing up this joint first thing changes how your whole body moves today. Beginners, keep your range small if you're extra stiff. Advanced switches, try making bigger circles to test your balance and core control. Pause for 5 seconds. Can you make the next circle even slower? That just opened the gate. Now let's go deeper. Let's hit the glutes. Right side first. Cross your right ankle over your left knee, forming a 4 shape. Now gently pull your left thigh towards your chest. Keep your head relaxed. Breathe into the stretch. You'll feel this one deep. If not, try pressing your right knee away slightly. Hold 5 more seconds. Breathe into the tension. That's your body letting go. Switch sides. Same shape, different side, and you might notice one glute is tighter. That's common. Adjust your depth. Pull gently. No forcing, just release. Do you feel it? That stored stress releasing from your hips. You're not just stretching, you're shifting your nervous system. Get ready. We're about to stretch long and deep. Sit tall, legs extended forward. Now reach. Let your hands fall wherever they land. Knees, shins, ankles. Then breathe. Don't yank or bounce. Let gravity do the work. Each exhale, that's another layer of tightness peeling away. Beginners, bend the knees slightly. Advanced stretches, flex your feet, deepen the fold. Did you know that just 60 seconds here daily can reduce lower back tightness by 20% over time? Hold for 5 more seconds. That just lengthened your hamstrings. Let's finish with a combo of recovery and power. Pull your right knee in, chest tall. Use your arms to gently hug it towards you. You're not just holding your knee, you're giving your lower back a chance to feel supported. Feel that relief deep in your lumbar spine. Let's switch sides. Same love, other side. Stay grounded, keep your breath steady. It's a hug your spine didn't know it needed. Almost there. Let's fire up those glutes and seal this in. Lie back, hip width, drive your hips toward the sky, pause at the top, then lower slowly. We've stretched, now we activate. Each lift locks in the mobility you've created. I promise this move wakes up sleepy glutes and supports your lower back all day long. Can you get 15 solid reps in 1 minute? Stay with it. Final 5 seconds. Squeeze hard at the top. And that's your reset.